Hello and welcome to ShurLink training. In today's video, we will practice powering up and down your new ShurLink Pro remote. Let's grab your remote and get started. When you open the cover, the remote will automatically power on. If the cover is already open and the remote is off, power up the remote by pressing either of the operational buttons or the top two buttons right below the screen. The remote will automatically power down when the cover is closed or if the remote is left open and untouched for 3 minutes. Now that we know how to power on your remote, let's familiarize ourselves with the buttons that you'll use to operate the remote. Let's start with the upper left button and work around clockwise. Starting with the upper left, we have your first operational button. Up arrow button. Second operational button. The select button. Down arrow button and lastly, the Alt button. And here's a pro tip: if at any time you need to return to the main menu, press and hold the Alt button for 5 seconds. Take a few moments to practice powering up and down your remote and getting familiar with the buttons. And for reference, there's also a printed guide on the inside cover of your remote. In the next video, we'll practice navigating through the screen layout. This video will be available to watch again if you need to review this info at a later time. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video.